Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. Where am I? Bentley, what it says on the tin behind there. I'm at Foresters Green Nature Reserve, which I'll do a little screenshot of the area and I'll put it in between this and the next clip possible, so you know where it is. It's a lovely afternoon. I might have to take this jacket off because the sun's coming out there, keeps coming in and out. But before I say any more, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to have a walk in the field now, but before I do that, I'm going to put my drone up. It's a little bit windy, but I'm going to get a couple of shots and then we're going to have a walk round. So see you shortly. This is Woodgate Lane, where I'm parked. And this is the meadow just here. Foresters Green, there it says on the tin. So yeah, I'm going to have a little flight with the drone. It's a bit windy, but I'm going to do a little flight across the fields and then a bit more information here. So yeah, it looks great. So we'll see you in a minute with the drone. Yeah, I'm just going to put the drone up. There she is. Now, from now it'll be facing me. I'm going to have a little fly over the field. So it is a bit windy, but we're low down, should be okay. Seems to be every time I get the drone out, it decides to have a bit of wind. So off we go. So it's a lovely meadow, and I thought we'll have a little fly over. Thanks for joining us here. Give you a view of the flowers. That's nice. Gonna go up now. It's just amazing how the wind, it's been nice and sunny and it decides to pick up, so it won't be much of a flight today. Yeah, I've got the strong wind warning come. So I'm just going to show you around here anyway. Right, so it should be, I'm going to bring her down now. So it's just a little bit just to add on the start of the video. So some lovely flowers, which I'll be having a walk in a minute. Here she comes. Yeah, so thanks for joining us, folks. So I'm gonna come off now with the video. A little drone, so you know, swinging around to me. It's daft to, you know, ruin it. I've got a little carpet here out the car, which I'll probably land it on that. It's going to come across now. I could catch it actually. I might catch it. I don't like catching it when it's windy. I don't like catching it when it's windy because it goes side to side. I mean, I don't want to trim my nails, but thanks for joining us. I'm going to put the drone away and let's go for a walk. Come and join me. I'm on my own. We'll do a bit of company. See you in a minute. Yeah. Hello world. We're in the meadow. I must say, it looks great. So I'm going to get the pocket down, low down now, and give you a few shots. So it's going to go down here. Looks fantastic. Oops. So I'm going to have a little walk along. It's great. Let's go up now. Yeah, just give you a little pan round. Yeah, it's no better way to spend an afternoon. It's the 4th of July. I've just been and voted. I'm not political at all. I don't normally vote, but sometimes if I don't vote, then you start moaning, oh, they're no good, this government. And I say, well, did you vote for them? Well, I know who's going to win, and possibly, but I'm not going to say who I voted for, but they're all as bad as each other. So we'll see anyway. So that's the end of the politics on this channel. So yeah, this is nice along here. So we'll see you a bit further along. Hi folks, it might be a bit windy for the Sony mic, but just a quick shot here across the fields. If you do come, stay to the path. I hate it when I see people going in the middle of all the flowers. Anyway, so catch you in a bit. Yeah, that's nice. Little shot with the Sony. Yeah. Bang on. Knees for this shot. Things I do for YouTube. That's great. Yeah, thanks for joining us. The sun's gone in, but it's still nice to come on a walk. Just going to do a little Sony shot over there. Yeah, can't beat it. Lovely to see. So it's a shame it's windy. I couldn't do much drone, but that's nice. Follow me folks, follow me. Come on, follow me. Yeah, hello people, and thanks for joining me. I've just passed a nice tree. I'll have a word with that tree on the way back. That's another chapter. Yeah, I've been here on a walk before, but obviously all the flowers weren't here then. So got a butterfly join me on my walk. Yeah, it's It's really nice. So June and July I think are the best times to come here. So it's just a shame the sun's not shining, but there's nothing I can do about that. So I'm getting drawn to this tree. It's not a church, it's a tree. Any tips on the, oh no, forget that. Yeah, shame about the wind blowing, but it's great. So we'll carry on walking. See you in a bit. Yeah, it's certainly gone windy. Well, I suppose it does look nice seeing all the flowers blowing in the wind. Trying to get a little close up of one, but they're blowing a lot. I'll just go through with a pocket just here. Just sort of see if I can get through a little bit around here. Oh, I can't see when I'm filming, but just go along here now, along the path. You've got to keep the pocket a certain distance away to get the best focus. Yeah, it's a nice little path going through here. Yeah, wind's dropped a bit now. It's going up. Little pan round at that. Great, it was Sony. Believe it or not, the sun's come out, so that's great. I'm just going to go down to these flowers here. Oh, it's nice, a bit of sun out for a minute. Do a bit of a close up if I can. Great. Yeah, a bit windy. I'm trying to get some shots of the flowers. So I'm heading up that way now. It's great when the sun comes out. Looks brilliant. Just going to do another little low down shot here. So it's great colours. Just so the butterfly fly past me. Another one flying by, saying hello. little sign here. See what it says. Stick to the track. Yeah, well, there's a few little paths you can go on, but I'm going to walk back down now, so we'll see a bit further along. Yeah, follow me folks, follow me. Come on, follow me. Yeah, it's one more little walk through here. Looks great. Let's go up this little path a little bit. Yeah, what a view. Lovely. Bang on. Nice with the sun out as well. I'm going to go all the way around again. Hello world. Yeah, I'm walking back down to my car now. It's a shame that the weather went a bit better. I mean, we are in July. We've missed flaming June. We had a few weeks of nice weather, and it seems to go back to this. But I did do my washing this morning, and it all dried. So that's one plus. But this is nice and flat, so if you want to come for a walk, it's not, it may be if you've got an electric scooter you might get along on with it, or just come in to have a little look round, but it's a flat area. I'm not sure when this video is going to go on. I've got a lot of videos to go on the channel, and I'm putting sometimes 2 or 3 on a day. In a way, sometimes they're all different. There might be a bus video, which there's a lot of people like the bus videos, and me, and then it could be you know, a walk, could be in a church, could be on the beach, could be me drone, could be on holiday. Oh, a load of butterflies there come to join me. Yeah, it's lovely. Let me give you another shot round. Spin round. It's doing a fairly low down shot here. Yeah, great. This will give me something to do tonight, a bit of editing, all later on this afternoon. It's well, it's 3:30 now, so yeah, it's been a lovely walk. So I'll see you near the entrance now. Yeah, I'm just nearly back at my car now, so I'm just doing a last bit of sewing. Yeah, thanks for joining us folks on this walk round. Hope you've enjoyed it. So I'm going to end the video now. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate that, and let's hope there's peace all around the world. We'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. As I say, don't forget it's free to subscribe. See you all soon folks.